I'd like to try the Sicilian chicken wrap too. Yeah, Sicilian. Okay, Sicilian style chicken wrap. So let you have a little closer look at that. First bite, let you know what I think. I saw they told me they put a little tomatillo sauce down on the bottom. Looks like provolone. It's got rotisserie chicken and it's supposed to be Sicilian style. So let's go in for that first big bite.
Order this again?
Most likely not. I'm gonna give this one a thumbs down. It's okay at best, but I think they got better options, and I'm gonna show you first look. Stay tuned. We're gonna do the whole menu over here.